Welcome to our quick guide on creating eye-catching Halftone effects in Photoshop. Let's explore how to enhance your designs in just a few easy steps. Halftone is a technique that uses varying sizes and spacing of dots to create gradients and textures. It's widely used in comic book illustrations and retro art, adding a unique flair to your creative projects. Incorporating halftone effects into your designs gives them depth, character, and a vintage aesthetic. It's a fantastic way to make your artwork pop and keep viewers engaged. At FreePSDVN, they provide an amazing selection of free Photoshop actions designed specifically for creating halftone effects. With just a click, you can transform your images effortlessly. Are you ready to take your designs to the next level? Visit FreePSDVN.com Photoshop Action and start creating stunning halftone effects today. Don't miss out on the latest design trends and tools. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about the future of design. Remember, the magic of creativity is just a plugin away. Until next time, keep designing, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of imagination.